This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review Citi Strata Premier Transfer Partners. We'll explore the key features of the Citi Strata Premier card, focusing on its reward structure and how points can be transferred. You'll learn about the various airline and hotel loyalty programs available, helping you understand their value. This will guide you in determining if the Citi Strata Premier card is the right choice for your travel strategy and how to best utilize its benefits. The Citi Strata Premier card boasts a strong lineup of transfer partners, primarily focusing on airlines. You can transfer your thank you points to over 15 different airline loyalty programs, often at a 1-to-1 ratio. Key partners like Avianca Life Miles and Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles offer excellent redemption opportunities for international flights. While fewer hotel partners exist, Wyndham Rewards provides good value for various accommodations. Understanding these options is crucial for maximizing your travel redemptions. To truly maximize the value of your Citi Strata Premier points, strategic transfers are essential. Aim for redemptions that yield at least 1.5 cents per point, especially for business or first-class flights. Keep an eye out for limited-time transfer bonuses, which can boost your points by 20% or even 25%. Researching award charts and understanding peak versus off-peak pricing will help you secure the best deals. This approach ensures you get the most out of every thank you point. So, is the Citi Strata Premier card worth it for you? If you frequently spend on travel, dining, and groceries, its earning rates are highly competitive. The annual fee of $95 is reasonable, especially considering the annual $100 hotel credit. For travelers who value flexibility and premium redemptions through airline partners, this card presents significant value. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your travel habits will determine its overall benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.